Hello and welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back, guys. Nice to see you.
This is an update of where we are going next. If you've been following us, we did a lap around Botswana in the last series. If you haven't seen that, go watch it now. So this is the reveal of the next adventure. So where are we going, Diane?
So for our next adventure, we are going to, drum roll,
So reveal it.
Angola. We're going to Angola.
Cool. So for us, it's new territory, new frontiers, new border crossings, and new adventures. We have no idea what awaits us, but we're going to explore and we're going to take you guys along and share
With
the
us.
adventure with you.
Also, in this episode, we're going to introduce the field kitchen.
Yep, the field kitchen is our way of cooking while overlanding, mostly on fire, but we're going to be sharing all our tips, tricks and hacks.
So we're going to share all our little secret recipes and ideas to keep you well fed on your trips.
Yeah, so we believe that food is the little luxury that you can enjoy while overlanding, and you just don't have to eat out of a tin, although we like doing that sometimes.
It's also
too.
good. It's mixing it up, it's keeping it interesting, and it really isn't that difficult. It's knowing what spicing to pack, what tools to pack, and that can make the whole experience a million times better.
So in this episode, we're kicking off with the first recipe, and it is
A shakshuka. It's a Middle Eastern recipe, and it's essentially eggs, peppers, chilies, all in a pan. And the nice thing about it is you can have it for breakfast, brunch, or dinner.
and it's delicious. So stay tuned.
Flippin' delicious.
Okay. Introducing a book.
It's upside down.
So introducing a book. This,
Is no ordinary book. This is our book.
yes, it's called Let's Meet in Paradise, a food journey.
And it is 11 different countries that features the food and the adventures we experienced in each.
We are giving away 3 copies to 3 lucky subscribers. It will be a competition and we'll be running it in the Angola series, so you have to keep watching, and to win you have to
Answer each of the questions as they appear on the screen.
randomly. So you're going to have to watch the whole series. Sorry guys.
2, you have to be a subscriber.
So stay tuned on the Angola series to be eligible to win this amazing book with many recipes, many adventures and beautiful photography. Good luck.
Good luck, yeah, and happy cooking.
Okay.
So today we're cooking a shakshuka, which is a Middle Eastern dish with tomatoes, peppers, onions, some chili and eggs in a pan.
Sounds yummy
Yeah, it's a nice dish.
and smoky.
Smoky.
A nice smoky flavor.
So you can have it either as a breakfast or a brunch or even a supper. So it's
Okay.
entirely up to you.
And what's the accompaniment with it?
Well, you can have it just like that, and if you want you can also make some flatbreads and have that, or
And if we've got time we might make those.
and if we have time.
A little bit rusty and out of practice.
Yeah, let's just say that the day ran away with us.
Okay.
Such a show.
What are the steps?
Okay, so you start off with your pan on the heat and a generous splash of olive oil and one onion diced, and then you take one red pepper also diced, add it to the pan, and you're frying it until the onion starts to go glassy, which is the stage that we're almost at now.
Okay, so what are the next steps?
So now I'm going to add the cumin, ground cumin, and harissa and tomato paste and the garlic.
Okay, so that's the spicing for the dish.
Spicing.
Okay, let's do it.
Harissa, tomato paste. I'm going to make the little wells for the eggs.
Yes, connection. Into the well.
So you've got your tomato, your peppers, your onion, all your spicing in there, and you fried that, and you've now made wells, and you've put your tomatoes, your vine tomatoes in there, and you've put your eggs into the little wells. I've pushed a bit of feta in. You don't have to use feta, I like it. And you let it go just a little bit, that you see the eggs are starting to poach from the bottom up. Then you're going to put the lid on it and let it go 2 minutes. It's very much a visual check, so you need to keep checking that they're not going too milky, that they still look beautiful.
Let's put the lid on.
Okay.
See now the check. It's a little bit longer.
Longer, yeah.
And action. Okay, tell me about the heat of the fire.
So initially you want a slightly higher heat.
To fry.
Yes, it would be quite nice if you had some logs that still have a bit of flame, so that you can fry your onions and you can fry your peppers, and they can get a little bit of glass and just a little touch of caramelization. But when you put your eggs in, when you get to that stage, it's quite important that your temperature is lower. It's like a constant but lower heat, and that allows your eggs to poach from the bottom up. If it's too hot, what happens is you just burn it at the bottom and the top isn't cooked properly.
Yes.
Done. Now the last little touch.
Very tasty. Nice one.
Good.
Make this one, you won't be disappointed. And remember, if you like this channel, what do you have to do?
You have to like and
Subscribe.
please. We value your subscriptions.
Support.
And
We feel the
support.
love. And it's a free way to support us.